Yeah, hello, Martin Baker here. I'm at the show centre and wanting to share with you this little J office, 2.3 metres wide, 1.9 metres deep, is now up for sale. Moving it on to create a new combination room here. So we're upgrading our show centre and some lucky person will get a great deal on this demonstration building. 2.3 wide, 1.9 deep. It's a one-person office. We really love it. Internally, you'll get it all repainted if you wish, or just ready for you to paint. The desk we're going to keep because we are going to renew it with the same size. This has been a really popular size, but you will get a new laminate floor fitted, repainted and installed. We can carry out the base works and can carry out the electrics, although you will get the heater and lighting with it. So if this little building is of interest to you, please see the details below. There'll be a link to the page on our website with the pricing on it and the different options, and hopefully that will be the perfect solution for somebody. Got the felt roof on this one, not the rubber roof, but that will bring the cost down of this demo, and we will be refelting the roof as well, coming with a 5-year guarantee with this building, and hopefully it works perfectly for somebody. Good luck.